Oakley dokley, that is all the low spots tigged up now. So everywhere where there's some splatter in there is low, and everywhere where it isn't splattered is either level or high. So next thing I need to do is I need to drill a couple of bolt holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, to bolt the sump to this. So then I can remove these bolts and I can take this to the university on Tuesday. My buddy is got the evening, so I'm going to use their big mill to give that a skim off flat. Then once that is skimmed off flat, then what I need to do is remove these 4 bolts and then fill this cavity here with the sodium silicate sand, and then top up the top with liquid aluminium, so that I get myself about a 10mm thickness. Then what I can do is, well, what I will do and can do is I will then drill and bolt that section onto there, so that is all one piece mold. Then I've still got a couple holes to drill through here to captivate on there. I've got to put a join like that on the back here, and if I just pause this video out, and we're back. So that's the 2 bolt holes I said, so it's got to go through that way. This side here I've got to do some kind of join. I've still got to drill some bolt holes through there to captivate that on there. But what I'm going to do is, that is the height of the pour there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 pieces of aluminium side by side to that height with an ever so slight gap down the middle. So basically when I pour in from through the bottom, it will fill the sump, bish bash bosh, all the way up there. There's an ever so slight gap here, so fluid is going to come up there and it's going to come up between, so that when I take all these pieces off, it will be sump shaped, but with basically 2 pieces which need to be zipped off and zipped off. Any other mold lines, they'll be done at the same time. But yes, so apart from a couple of bolt holes that I got to drill, there's nothing more I can do until I can see my buddy at the university on Tuesday. But yes, nearly there. Gave that all a skim off, made that a bit neater and tidier. A lot of work, buds, a lot of work.